Hello everybody, it's me, Charlene Domingo. I am your Farmasi USA beauty influencer. I am a director here with Farmasi USA, and today I just wanted to take a minute. I wanted to hop on really quick while I had a moment and make a little video for you guys of one of my, I would say, staple products, one of the products that made me think, ooh, I am with the right company. Yes, thank you. I am with the right company. And that is our hair care system called Reviving. Okay, this system has garlic, capixul, and tritrogen in it. And I'm gonna go over those ingredients with you. Just touch on those ingredients, okay? On those 3 ingredients, just a little bit for you guys. But if you want to look up the benefits of garlic, capixul, and tritrogen, you would be surprised at all of the benefits that it has. And our hair care system, Reviving, has those benefits. Like, it's just absolutely amazing. So the Reviving hair care system, okay, it has 3 steps, and that's going to be your oil, your shampoo, and your mask. Okay, so I'm going to go over first the ingredients, and then I'll go over how to use this system. Okay, so the first ingredient that it has is garlic. And one of the benefits of garlic that surprised me, and I was like, wow, I really love this benefit, is that it helps to minimize dandruff. Okay, quite a few people have that issue, and so I would say give this system a try. If you have dandruff and you want to minimize that dandruff or get rid of it, try this hair care system. Okay, this garlic also stimulates hair growth. So who doesn't want that? Okay, we need our hair to grow. So garlic stimulates hair growth and reduces hair loss. So if you have an issue with your hair falling out a whole bunch, it's going to help reduce hair loss. I will just go ahead and jump in now and let you guys know. I just went through a season where I lost a lot of hair when I realized my iron was really low, and I noticed that my hair was falling out so much. And I said, let me hop on this system. And I started using it, and I have had so much new hair growth in the past about 8 months. Okay. And I'm like, just really pleased with the results that I'm having personally. When I got my hair cut right before convention here in June, the lady that was cutting my hair, she said, wow, you have a lot of new hair growing. And I said, yes, girl. And I told her about the system, and she was like, wow, that it's really working for you. And I was very proud of that, because I didn't even tell her. She noticed. And because you can definitely see where all of my new hair is growing. So this side had it a lot more than this side, but they are both growing, and my hair feels thicker. It feels healthier. I'm very happy with my results. But it's not just my results. There have been results with many people. And so let me go ahead and move forward with the next ingredient. It's capixul. You guys have heard me talk about capixul because I love the ingredient capixul. It's in my Limitless mascara, and it's going to help grow my lashes, right? I talked about the serum that helps grow our brows and lashes. Well, this system also has capixul in it, and it's going to stimulate the hair follicles, the stem cells or the stems of the hair follicles to stimulate new hair growth, okay? And it also ensures a healthy growth in your hair. So I absolutely love that we have capixul in this Reviving hair system. And the last one, which was newly added, I believe in September of 2021, is tritrogen. And tritrogen has many benefits to growing hair. And if you want to look it up, like I said, there are so many, but I'm going to tell you, the first one is that it blocks hair loss. It's like a little blocking ninja, and it's like, oh no, you ain't going to fall out. Like, you better think again. Okay. Like, it's like blocking the hair loss, which is absolutely amazing. We want to lose as little hair as possible. Okay. So it's going to block. And so you're going to see your hair loss declining. So once you start using this product, I would say at about week 3, average, okay, more or less, week 3 is when people are noticing the hair loss declining. So give this a try if you're having an issue with your hair falling out. And again, it stimulates new growth. new growth. And again, we have garlic that stimulates new growth, capixul that stimulates new growth, and the trichogen that stimulates new growth. Amazing, amazing that we have those ingredients in this hair care system reviving. Okay, so let me go ahead and go over the products that we have in this system. The first one is the reviving hair oil. This oil, you are just going to pump it wherever you need it in your hair. If you're having like a specific area that's losing more hair, you can pump it in, rub it in wherever you need it. If that's all over your hair, that's perfectly fine. And you can use this 1 to 2 times a week. And when you do use it, you want to leave it in your hair for about 30 minutes before you wash it out with the shampoo. Okay, so 1 to 2 times a week in the areas that you have problems. If it's all over, then just go ahead and put it all over your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it out. Okay, out of all the hair care system, I would say that the oil is the one that has the little bit of a smell of garlic, but it is not offensive. So do not fear that it says garlic on here. Don't fear that. It's not offensive. And anyways, you're gonna wash it right out. Once you have that in your hair for about 30 minutes, you're going to use the shampoo. Okay, and you are going to wash your hair with the shampoo. Okay, so about a quarter size amount, and then just work it from the front of your scalp all the way to the back and just lather it up as much as you can. There's going to be days where maybe you don't use the oil, but you can still go right to the step of the shampoo and of the hair mask. That's perfectly fine. So every time you wash your hair, you definitely want to use this. And I'd say within about 3 weeks is usually when we're seeing that hair loss stop. And then after that, you'll start seeing the growth. It's just amazing. It really is an amazing product. So then after you wash your hair, you'll go right into the hair mask. And this is a beautiful formula. It's nice and creamy. It's going to hydrate that hair. It's going to give your hair just a soft, beautiful feel. And just leave it in about 5 minutes, and then you can rinse it out. If you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, if you're going to do other things in the shower, then just do that, and then rinse this out at the very end. And it's just beautiful in your hair. You feel your hair very, very soft, very luxurious. And some people, they say, I don't use the mask, which is like a conditioner, and that's okay. If you're not a person that uses conditioner, please still do your shampoo. Okay, do the shampoo. In the days that you're going to do the oil and then the shampoo. And if you don't use the mask, that's fine. So you can buy this as a set, or you can buy them as individual pieces. It's okay. But I wanted to take a moment to just share this hair care system with you guys. You probably will hear me repeat this all the time like a broken record about this hair care system, because hair loss, thinning hair, bald spots, this is not just something that affects women, it affects men as well, and men can use this hair care system as well. And I love seeing results in men and women. But again, this is one of those staple products that I said, man, Farmasi, they really care about what they're doing. They're giving us products that work, that have healthy ingredients, safe ingredients for us. And to me, that's important. And so I wanted to just share this hair care system with you guys one more time. Okay, I don't know the rest of that song. That's the only part I know, but one more time, okay? All right, you guys, thank you so much for listening. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. I love you. Jesus loves you. If you need any help with anything, if you have any questions, I sometimes have this on hand here at home because it's one of those products that actually is requested frequently. So if you would like to get this hair care system, I might have it here at home. If not, I'll order it, no problem. But just let me know if you need any help with anything. I'd be happy to help you. Bye, guys.